To get started with a Monzo business account, first, download the Monzo app and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. Once you have the app, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and select Business Account to begin the application process. You will need to provide some basic information about your business, including the business name, address, and type of business. After you have applied for a Monzo business account, you will need to verify your identity and the identity of any other business owners or directors. This is a standard process to prevent money laundering and to ensure that the account is being used for legitimate business purposes. Once your account is set up, you can start using it to manage your business finances. You can add money to your account by transferring funds from another account or by depositing cash at a bank. You can also set up direct debits and standing orders to pay regular bills and invoices. The Monzo app allows you to categorize your transactions and track your spending, making it easy to see where your money is going and to stay on top of your finances. You can also use the app to send and receive payments, and to freeze your card if it is lost or stolen. To keep your account secure, make sure to use a strong password and to enable two-factor authentication. You should also regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Monzo. In addition to the standard features, Monzo also offers a range of tools and services to help you manage your business finances, including invoicing and tax estimation. You can also integrate your Monzo account with other business tools and services, such as accounting software and payment processors. Overall, a Monzo business account is a great way to manage your business finances and to stay on top of your spending. By following these steps and using the features and tools provided by Monzo, you can keep your finances organized and make the most of your account.